how to make, I should say how to mix your own laundry detergent. We have borax, we have Arm & Hammer washing. I have half a bar of Zote soap. I got this from Dollar Tree with made a little label. Scooper from Candy Store. And that's all it takes is one scoop. It is for my washing machine. And a cheese grater. So first we're going to just take this half a bar of soap I have, and we're just going to grate it like you would cheddar cheese. Have a whole bowl. Now, I usually do this in the summer outside, but it's winter, so we're going to go in the garage because I don't want all the extra dust in my kitchen. So now we will pause and go outside in the garage. My table is missing. We're going to do it this way. Got my spoon. Got that part. So dump it in. You can see how it all flies up. This is why I do it outside the garage. Okay. Just gonna stir. So we don't get it all over the place. And that's all I use. Put my scoop in there, and it goes in my laundry soap. Push this back up. So that's it. 1 tub of laundry soap. Thanks for watching. See you later.